Good morning, students. In previous video, we are discuss about disability and its type. Today, we are going to discuss causes of disability. As we know, there are various causes of disability like genetics, accident, poverty, malnutrition, environment, diseases, etc. We can talk about some of them are genetics, abnormalities of genes, inherited from parents during pregnancy by infection, overexposure to X-ray and other factors. One of the reason of disability is genetics. There are many disability comes from parents' genes, sometimes from birth. A child suffering from disability. Move on to next cause, accident. As we all are know, accident is one of the major cause for disability. Road accident that generally take place. Workplace accident. At workplace accident, it means if you are working in factory and other side, in such kind of place, if any kind of injuries take place, that known as workplace accident. During sports activity, sports accident may take place, and such kind of accident may lead or cause disability. Next cause of disability is malnutrition. Malnutrition is one of the important factor or major cause of disability. Malnutrition is due to less number of nutrition. As we all are aware that malnutrition occurs when a child or person not get sufficient amount of nutrition. Malnutrition lead poor growth of body. It also responsible for weakness of muscles, fragile bones, etc. Fragile bones, it means the bone density is very less. Tensile, it also cause due to malnutrition, also cause poor attention towards on work, because if we did not take proper nutrition, it also affect our mental fitness. It also cause low immunity level. These are some factors that increase the chances of disability. Move on to next cause, poverty. Poverty is interrelated with malnutrition. As we know, Poverty is the one of major cause of India. Poverty lead to an increased risk of malnutrition. Poverty increase risk of malnutrition and childhood diseases like diphtheria, like polio, etc. Poverty is also exposed dangerous environment. As we know, due to poverty, a person live in various unhygienic places, and if a child live in such hygienic place, then injuries or diseases may be occur that lead the disability of a person. Move on to next topic, disorder. Move on to next topic, disorder. Disorder is referred to physical and mental disability. It refers to physical and mental disability. A disorder is a problem or illness. We can define that disorder is a problem or illness which affect someone's mind or body. Someone mind or body. In simple words, we can say that a disorder is an abnormal physical or mental condition of an individual. Disorder hindrance an individual performance. Due to disorder, it hindrance performance of an individual and reduce his efficiency. According to Oxford Dictionary, disorder is an illness. Disorder is an illness that disrupt normal physical and mental condition. We can classify or divide disorder into 5 types: ADHD, SPD, ASD, OCD, and ODD. In next video, we can discuss about these disorders.